Welcome back to Limoneira. My name is Megan Roosevelt, and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, the founder of Healthy Grocery Girl, and spokesperson for Limoneira's One World of Citrus and Take a Healthy Stand campaign. It's the start of spring, and this time of year I love to clean, refresh, and organize my space. Whether that's at home or at the office, I'm always looking for simple solutions that help support a healthy lifestyle. Citrus is so fantastic because it's so versatile. Not only is citrus great in recipes, but also for making your own natural at-home cleaners. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a natural, all-purpose DIY cleaner that's great for countertops, your bathroom, or even your floor. I'll also be sharing how you can take this recipe and mix it up 3 different ways for different lovely citrus scents that are all natural. So let's get started with today's video, and don't forget to subscribe to the Limoneira YouTube channel. You can also stay connected with us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And for more information on today's recipe and Limoneira, check out the links below in the video description box. To make this cleaner, you will need orange peels, white vinegar, Castile soap, and essential oil. I'm using frankincense. Find a small glass jar with a tight-fitting lid and add the orange peels, then fill to the top with vinegar. Add the lid and let sit for 2 weeks. Strain the orange-infused vinegar and add 2 ounces to a spray bottle with 6 to 8 ounces of filtered water. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of unscented Castile soap and 4 to 5 drops of essential oil. Add the lid and shake together. Use on floors, in the bathroom, or in the kitchen. One note of caution, do not use this on countertops made of natural stone. You can also make this cleaner with grapefruit peels and your favorite essential oil. I'm using chamomile, or with lemon peels and essential oil, and I'm using lavender. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. You can stay connected with us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We hope that you're having a fantastic day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!